Every fishing trip starts with a cup of coffee and tying a couple flies to set the mood. Today we will be fishing some brown trout in Norway and try to catch the first trout of the season. Are you ready to go fishing, old man? Yeah. You want to come fishing today? I don't think you're ready to go fishing at all, dude. Ready to go fishing? Yeah. You ready? Welcome to Losby. It's an old Norwegian farm turned into a golf course, a petting zoo and a restaurant for people with a lot of money. So we're just gonna pass through on our way to a small stillwater lake where we're gonna try to catch, hopefully lunch, some brown trout. This is the last couple of yards of golf fields, court, whatever you want to call it. Moving into the woods now, getting a little closer. Still hunting for first trout of the year. And Steffany said if I get the first fish today, she will take a bath in the ice cold lake. It was just winter, just a month ago. I think it's just 2 weeks since the ice broke. It's gonna be a nice and chilly experience for you when I get the first fish. Oh, needed to pee. Okay. Wow, this woods are absolutely stunning. It's like walking in a fairy tale. Wow. Yeah, actually, feels like we're part of the scene from The Hobbit. We're looking for a big dragon, honey. We're looking for a huge dragon and a lot of gold. I'm starting to get excited. I want to get that first cast. We're about halfway there, I think. We're gonna be here pretty much all day.
Jag hoppas det.
I mean, you're not properly drinking unless you're standing in the water, right? Making it all dirty. I guess that's dog logic. Yeah. We are getting very close. This is the first water we get to. I've never fished here. We're not going to today either. But he needs to drink and cool down a little bit. Oh. We are going straight up to those woods. 300 meters. That's where we're fishing. I haven't been there for many years. I did get a brown trout there. It was about 1.3 kilograms a few years ago. Hopefully we can get something decent today as well. Was that nice, Tino? Was that nice? Are you a little stuck? It's not easy becoming old, huh? It's not easy being old. You lived a long life. Okay, we got 300 more meters to go. She was a little overdressed on this trip, so we have to fix that before we go up the steepest hill. But it's only 300 yards more, but it's the hardest part of this walk.
Ullsocker, varsågod.
Wool socks, that was not the best choice of today, I think. I'm trying to see what insects are active right now, because I have to get that first fish. So that Steffany has to take a bath in the ice cold water. All right, here we start. Hardest part of the trip. It's just getting steeper and steeper. but it's only 300 meters, so we're almost there. See you on the other side. Whew. I don't know if you can tell by my breath, but that was a tough climb. Oh, I am very excited to see if there is some top water activity today. Whew. Oh, I can see the glimpse of the water. It's right there. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. We haven't seen any jumping fish yet, but the scenery is absolutely stunning. Check this out. This is beautiful. It's a little windy, but what more can you ask for? All right, so welcome to our new channel, Fish and Beer. And of course, it wouldn't be a fishing and beer video unless we brought a beer. So, cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheese. Wow.
Cheers.
That's pretty much everything I need. You ready to go home? No, let's fish. Let's start fishing.
Kommer tårar. Det är det du sa.
This might be the reason why you have to take a bath today.
Oj.
That was a rising fish.
Okay.
Exactly where I'm about to take my first cast.
That's mine.
You just got a lot of nerves right now. All right, I've done many casts with a nymph now, not seen anything, not felt anything, but I have seen a lot of, or a couple, 3 or 4 rising fish along the shoreline, very close to land. So we're gonna put on one of the little mosquitoes that we tied this morning before we left home. Let's see if we can get them on the dry fly. Steffany still haven't caught any fish, so we're still looking good. Now this time of year, early May, it's pretty much only mosquitoes. So we're going for this super easy mosquito pattern. I've never tried it before, but like probably many others are like me. You watch new fly patterns and stuff on YouTube all the time. This one I watched this morning while eating my breakfast, and I wanted to try it out because I like the simplicity of it. Just tying thread and a hackle, and that's pretty much it. There is no tail on it. It's just black tying thread, 4 or 5 rounds of hackle, and you just tie them to just stick upwards. That's it. It doesn't get more simple than that. That's like, I love things like that just work, and it's super simple. So I have to give it a try, and if this works, it might stick around in my fly box forever. I just love how, yeah, it just looks like a mosquito. Plain and simple. Let's try it out. First fly in a tree of the day. Ah, this is fantastic. No fly fisher has done this before me, right? I'm starting to believe I'm getting outsmarted by the little brown trout here. He's racing, he's taking insects on the water. Maybe I'm making too much noise. Maybe I'm moving too much, trying to get too close. I don't know. Every time I'm catching in on him, he keeps taking fish further and further away. It's a little frustrating. I'm gonna take a little break now, see how it goes with Steffany. Pet my dog a little bit, and maybe we have another beer for good luck. It's never bad luck with another beer, right? Okay, we've been here for hours. No fish. You did have a couple bites. It's a tie. So it's only fair to do rock, paper, and scissors. Who makes dinner?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. You make dinner. Yes! Okay, so we're at the supermarket because you lost the rock, paper, scissors, so you're cooking. She said we needed some chili, so I found some secret ingredients. Habanero. Ooh. Holy crap. I don't know what it's gonna turn out to be, but I'm getting hungry because this is starting to smell really good. She is preparing some saltwater crayfish with some Parmesan, garlic, and of course the habanero that we found. So my god, this is starting to smell amazing. Holy shit, what have you done? Oh, I fucking love you. Oh my god. And you didn't even lose a fishing competition.
Not yet.
Not yet.